YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I think it's Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And my affiliate link will be down below. Definitely check these guys out and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Very interesting package. So we shall see. How do I open this? Fragile, handle with care. Do not stack or drop. Alright. It's something fragile. Ah, that's easy. I think I'm losing my voice. Oh man. I'm gonna cut it this way too. Okay. Got one piece off. And alright, that's gonna take a minute. Alright guys, here we go. Ooh. Just be careful with it. And what else have we got in here? Oh boy, we got some stuff. Got some kind of power adapter. Looks like hooks. That's it for that. Alright. I'll have the description, corrected in the title. And then in the below description, all you gotta do is click on the link. If it's their website, I'll leave it. But I think it's 100% sure these guys are on Amazon. Just gotta make sure. Here we go. Right there. Oh, it's some kind of neon lighting. Oh, this is cool. It's over here, right there. Whoa. We'll definitely take this downstairs. Much darker. But we'll see what it looks like with the lights on. I mean, this took some time to do. Ah, that's pretty cool. What's the best one? Here is remote control. That's where you put the cord. Right there. Closer look. Got RGBs up there. All the way out. Oh yeah, this would look nice. You have it hooked on. Kind of fits the phone. Alright, we're going to plug this in. Definitely excited. So definitely check them out. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And like I said, YouTuber, it's really easy to use. Their website, you just got to pick your style. And then whatever you want to say, like your YouTube channel or TikTok or your business, maybe fantasy draft. Alright guys, You should see how bright this is with the lights on. Here we go. It's like, wow. Now that's all the way up. That is so cool. That looks really good. Now let's dim it. That is cool. Now with the lights off, look at that. I don't think we need to go downstairs right now. Oh, it's falling. But we'll zoom in. That is cool. You could choose your colors to use. And like I said, whatever your name, your company or your business, or like I said, fantasy league, video game stores, small business, online business, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, you name it. Super lightweight too, so definitely cool. Alright, let me shut the lights off. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Really good. So here's off. There's a remote right here. Let's just see it. Oops. Right there. All right, YouTubers. Excuse me. Check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Order yours now, and they'll ship it to you. Take it easy.